Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a soft, delicious and moist eggless vanilla muffins. To start off, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then take 300 ml of warm milk, add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it and mix it lightly. Set this aside. This will be our buttermilk. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. Then into a sieve, add all-purpose flour or Maida and then add some powdered sugar and then add some milk powder. Then add a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix all this well and sieve it into the bowl. Now add 100 grams of melted butter and then add the buttermilk that we prepared earlier. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix all of these together. Combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Don't over mix the batter, just mix it till it all comes together. Check if there's any lumps remaining. Line a 12-cup muffin tray with paper liners and then transfer the batter into each liner. I'm using an ice cream scoop. It's a very thin batter. Fill the muffin liner to about 2/3 and then this is ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 20 to 22 minutes. Check the muffins after 20 minutes itself. Each oven is different. Put a skewer or a toothpick in the center of the muffin. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. So this is it. A very tasty, delicious, moist, buttery muffins are done. These muffins are so delicious. It tastes exactly like muffins with eggs. The texture of these muffins are also so similar to muffins with eggs. You will not be able to believe that these muffins are eggless. It is so perfect and so tasty. Try it out. Until next time, bye bye.